In this exercise, we'll classify the following equation as a conditional equation, an identity, or a contradiction. Then we'll write the solution set. So 5x minus a quantity, x plus 4, equals 4 times the quantity, x minus 2 plus 4. So to figure out whether we have a conditional equation, an identity, or a contradiction, we'll act like we're solving the equation or go about the process of solving an equation. If we have a solution, we'll have a conditional equation. If we have an identity, it'll simplify to just 0 equals 0. And if we have a contradiction, we'll have some untrue statement at the end. So let's see what we get. Okay, let's start by distributing this negative by the x and the 4. So we get 5x minus 4. And then on the other side of the equation, we'll distribute the 4 by the x and the negative 2. That gives us 4x minus 8, and then we still have the plus 4. Let's simplify on each side. So we have 5x minus x just gives us 4x, and then minus 4 is still there. On the right-hand side, we have 4x, and then we have negative 8 plus 4, which gives us negative 4. Ooh, look what's happening here. Each side is equal. Well, let's add 4 to each side and see what happens. Adding 4 to each side gives us just 4x equals 4x. Then we could subtract 4x from each side. And what we get is 0 equals 0. Now it's okay. We haven't necessarily done anything wrong. You should always check your answers and check your work. But in this case, when this simplifies to just 0 equals 0, this is called an identity. So we'll write that down. So that's the type of equation that we have. And then it says, write the solution set. Well, the solution set is going to be any x such that x is a member of the real numbers. So that is, when we have an identity, or when it simplifies down to 0, 0, then our solution is all real numbers. In section 2.3, we'll use both addition and multiplication to solve equations. We'll solve equations that involve fractions, and we'll solve applications.